Departure, FedEx 1338 Heavy, passing 2 for 4,000 on the Nutty 1.
FedEx 1338 Heavy, Norfolk departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 16,000, turn right direct to Coupon.
And departure, FedEx 1338 Heavy, I'd like to request a level off at 3,000 if we can. And we're working an engine issue. We might need to coordinate a return to ORF.
FedEx 1338 Heavy, roger, maintain 3,000.
3,000, FedEx 1338 Heavy.
FedEx 1338 Heavy, I don't want to complicate anything, but I'm not receiving your transponder as well.
A copy, I'll recycle FedEx 1338 Heavy.
FedEx 1338 Heavy, how are we looking?
Yeah, FedEx 1338 Heavy, we're working our checklist and we're going to need to coordinate a RTB to ORF.
Okay, FedEx 1338 Heavy, roger, turn right heading 320.
Right 320, FedEx 1338 Heavy.
FedEx 1338 Heavy, turn right heading 050.
Right 050, FedEx 1338 Heavy, I may ask you for an extended downwind.
FedEx 1338 Heavy, roger, and are we declaring emergency, say intentions?
FedEx 1338 Heavy, affirm, we're effectively single engine, so we'll declare an emergency at this time.
FedEx 1338 Heavy, roger, say fuel remaining and souls on board.
3 plus 00 hours fuel, 4 souls, FedEx 1338 Heavy.
FedEx 1338 Heavy, roger, thank you. And which engine's out?
Our number 1 engine, left engine, FedEx 1338 Heavy, we currently have it at idle.
FedEx 1338 Heavy, roger. And you said 3 plus 00 on the gas?
FedEx 1338 Heavy, affirm.
Thank you. FedEx 1338 Heavy, just let me know when you want to start bringing it in.
Okay, FedEx 1338 Heavy.
FedEx 1338 Heavy, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, FedEx 1338.
FedEx 1338, turn right heading 230.
Right 230, FedEx 1338. And we're ready to come aboard FedEx 1338 Heavy.
Right, FedEx 1338 Heavy, expect the ILS 23 when able. You can continue right hand turn directly to J Hall.
Copy, continue direct to J Hall, FedEx 1338 Heavy.
FedEx 1338, cross J Hall at or above 2,000, cleared ILS runway 23 approach.
Cross J Hall at or above 2,000, clear for the ILS 23, FedEx 1338 Heavy. Thanks for the help.
Sure. FedEx 1338, contact tower 120.8. Have a good night.
Switching tower 120.8, FedEx 1338 Heavy. Thanks again.
Airport command, ground you up.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Okay, yep. Got emergency inbound. It's FedEx 1338. It's a Airbus 306. I believe it's the left engine. It's just idling currently. There's 4 souls on board, 3 hours of fuel.
Alright, copy that. I got it. Airbus A300-600. 4 souls on board, 3 hours of fuel. Left engine is doing idle only. Is that correct?
Affirm, and they're about 5 miles north of the field right now. I think they're going to do a longer downwind, maybe just to burn off some fuel, but I'll keep you updated with the estimated arrival time. And Airport Command, you can start staging on the field. He'll be the next arrival inbound.
Airport Command, copy.
Airport Command, Norfolk Tower, the FedEx aircraft is 15 miles out and bound for landing now.
Copy that, 15 miles out and bound for landing. I'd like to close the field at this time, please.
Airport Command, the field is closed and your control.
Tower FedEx 1338 Heavy, 8 miles, ILS 23.
FedEx 1338 Heavy, Norfolk Tower, wind calm, runway 23, clear to land.
Clear to land 23, FedEx 1338 Heavy.
FedEx 1338 Heavy, for planning purposes, do you plan on taxiing to the gate, or are you going to stop there on the runway?
We'll be able to taxi to the gate. We'll probably take it to the end, FedEx 1338 Heavy.
Roger.
Yeah, our FedEx 1338 Heavy, thanks for the help, and our thanks to the ground crews too. We can exit on Alpha.
FedEx 1338 Heavy, not a problem. You can make a right turn on Alpha, Charlie, Victor for parking.
Alpha, Charlie, Victor, thanks again to everybody, FedEx 1338 Heavy.